I ain't never really seen that before, I'm gonna be honest with you. August the 3rd, 2021. It's not real inviting on doing work, is it, guys? We'll see what turns out of this day. Hopefully I can get some work in and get some calls done, but this weather is really not permitting. We shall see. Alright, guys. Okay, guys, I am fixing to be rolling up to a repair call. It's going to be a Bryant heat pump package unit. Customer says that the thermostat works, but it won't do anything. So that's telling me that it's probably got a display on the thermostat, but it ain't cutting on and cooling or something like that. But we'll see what's going on. But it sounds like more than likely we got a thermostat problem, but you know, there ain't no sense in overthinking things till I actually get here and see what's going on. Alright, guys, peace. Oh yeah, beat you to death. Well, let's see.
Well, it ain't the wife. How's the girlfriend and kids?
Oh, doing good. We thinking about, or I thinking about getting a house together.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and it's had to put my manly pride aside for the first time in my life.
Oh.
Because she makes a lot more money than I do, so we're just gonna probably move closer to her, I reckon, to her work.
Well,
I'll make the long haul.
there you go. Where's she work?
She got her own nail salon, and it ain't no little one.
Okay. So in Lexington, Columbia somewhere?
Well, it's in there. Knox Abbott Road by the Red Lobster.
Okay.
It's probably big as both of these houses put together. So wow. She runs a big operation.
Doing good then, yeah.
Oh yeah. So I'm just going. I'll do the traveling to my work. That's fine.
That's all right. That's all.
Yep.
All right. You talking about you're talking about building the house.
Yeah, we were thinking that way, but okay. Let's see what we got going on here. Set on 75,
yeah,
and it's 82 in here. Thermostat says cooling is in the on position.
It's and that's where I did punch a couple buttons, but I pushed it back to just where it was when I found it.
Right. Okay. Well, thermostat's ready to do what it needs to do. Let's see what we ain't. Where's the breaker box at? That'd probably be the first.
And I checked that too.
AC's on.
I didn't turn it off and turn it back on, but I mean it didn't look like it'd been tripped.
The furnace. Okay. That's where the power comes from, the thermostat. Always from the furnace, because it's got a transformer low voltage in there. So. Alright guys, we obviously got a bad transformer, and this ain't an easy furnace to work on at all. Look in here. Way recessed back in there. Transformer right there. Everything, breakers is in the way. Dang. One of them calls. I'm gonna try to get this in there, wire it up, and maybe put an inline fuse in it, so whatever blew this existing transformer hopefully don't blow this transformer. It could be a short. This is gonna be fun, y'all. Okay guys, so looking in here, I done had to remove and pull these breakers out of my way so I could get back in here to this recessed area and work. If you look in here, see the water droplets? Obviously the water droplets in there is what got on this transformer. Okay, and burn it out due to the condensation. But since this is a weird transformer, Got 2 commons on the primary side, 2 commons on the secondary side. I ain't never really seen that before, I'm gonna be honest with you. So we're gonna just have to try to go with a OEM direct factory replacement transformer. I ain't gonna attempt to put in this one. we're just gonna have to get the direct replacement part, because if not, yeah, I could be burning up some shit, you know what I'm saying? So that's a weird transformer right there. 2 commons on the primary at the top, 2 commons on the primary, the secondary coming out to the 24 volts. I ain't messing with it. We're gonna just make it simple. We're gonna try to get direct replacement for that transformer. So this job here is just gonna be pending till we can get the part back in. Alright guys.